adding window treatments to a space can totally transform the room. With a few measuring tips and designer tricks, they can also make your ceilings feel taller and windows appear larger. Here's what you'll need to measure for curtains or draperies. First, decide where you'd like to mount your hanging hardware, as this will help determine the ideal width and length of your curtains. For an outside mount, hang the rod several inches above the window to help your ceiling appear taller. For an inside mount, where the rod spans the width of the opening, curtains hang inside the window frame, creating a neat, clean look. Next, you'll need to determine the ideal curtain panel width. For narrow decorative panels designed to hang alongside the window, measure the width you want those panels to cover. For functional panels that span the width of your window and can open and close with ease, measure the width of your window and add 24 inches to account for the outside mount. Then divide by the number of panels you plan to use. To determine the panel length, measure from where the top of the rod will be located, down to where you'd like the curtains to hang, above the floor or windowsill. Next, select a curtain rod length that's appropriate for your window and available wall space. And while it may be tempting to hang a curtain rod after ordering window treatments, wait until your curtains or draperies have arrived, in case minor adjustments are necessary. Good luck, and thanks for shopping at the Home Depot.